everybody, it's Mena. Welcome back to my channel, or if this is the very first video that you're seeing me, then welcome to my channel. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you didn't already. I post every day except for Tuesday and Friday afternoon sometimes. And today in this video, I have a funny story about how I came home to an explosion of styrofoam all over my living room. So this is a funny story about how I unexpectedly came home and there was styrofoam all over my living room. And I thought this was a pretty funny moment, and it was because my brother had opened his birthday present and he left styrofoam all over the living room. So this is a story just to let you guys know. Sometimes you can come home to things that unexpectedly happen, like you get angry when you come home to a pile of dishes in the sink, or you laugh when you come home to a pile of styrofoam all over your living room, which is what happened to me. So I'm gonna get started, and I hope you guys get some laughs out of this video. So this all started, I think, the second week of February. We were celebrating my brother's birthday late because he didn't want to celebrate on his actual birthday because he was really busy on his actual birthday, so we moved his birthday to a different day. So after we moved my brother's birthday to a different day, I'm coming home from work. I was super busy at work. I was cleaning and washing stuff. So I had a pretty busy day at work. So I get home and then I open the door, and as I come home, I see a bunch of styrofoam everywhere. There was styrofoam on the coffee table. There was styrofoam on the couch. There was styrofoam on the other armchair. There was styrofoam on the rug, and there was styrofoam on the hardwood floor, and I'm super confused, and I don't know where all this styrofoam came from. I'm like, what happened in here? And I'm trying to figure out why there's styrofoam all over the living room, and I kind of think it's super funny because I don't know where the styrofoam came from. And then I look and notice a little TV tray desk thing that my brother had gotten for his birthday. And I suddenly realized, oh, he must have opened his birthday present and went crazy on the styrofoam. I start laughing because I just did not expect to come home to a crazy explosion of styrofoam all over the living room. So I'm cracking up, and I start to clean. I grab the vacuum and I start vacuuming the rug. I vacuum the couch. And I vacuum all the little bits of styrofoam just to get it off the coffee table. And then once I'm done vacuuming I grab the dustpan and broom, and I start sweeping the styrofoam off the hardwood floor. Then all of a sudden my brother comes up and he's like, what are you doing? Oh, I'm sweeping the styrofoam you left all over the living room. And I'm just laughing because I think it's so funny that he left styrofoam all over the living room. And he's like, I'm so sorry about that. I'm like, it's okay, I'm not mad. Normally sometimes if there's like giant messes, I do get angry, but this time I just did not, because I thought it was super funny that there was a styrofoam explosion in the living room, and I was literally laughing while I was cleaning it up. And he starts laughing as well because he didn't expect to see me laugh at the styrofoam all over the living room, and we were both just cracking up because we both just didn't expect a styrofoam explosion. So after a little bit of time, I got everything cleaned, and we both just ended up laughing at the giant styrofoam explosion that happened. So the moral of the story is sometimes it's annoying to come home to messes, but sometimes it can be funny when you come home to funny messes, like an explosion of styrofoam or explosion of wrapping paper all over the living room when you don't expect it. And I just did not expect the styrofoam all over the living room, and I just found it hilarious that I came home to a giant explosion of styrofoam all over the living room. Luckily, I was not mad. I just found it funny for some weird reason because I just didn't expect any styrofoam exploding in the living room. So that was my funny story about how I came home to an explosion of styrofoam all over the living room. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you found this video funny. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I post every day except for Tuesday and Friday afternoon sometimes, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye!